crash an airplane, they just pack it up, they go home and roll really sorry, sad face, and really don't have to do that. I happen to be an engineer, and the engineers always have in their car some duct tape. Okay, so the proper way of doing a field repair is you put it together, try to line up. Sometimes foam makes a good cut. You take your duct tape, all right, number 8 shears. Okay, tape it up. Okay. Now, 2 things is that it's not always important that it go back together the same way that it was before. And the second thing is, you always have a little bit left over. That's okay. Anybody's ever worked on cars when they were in high school knows that when you put it back together, you have a few extra nuts and bolts left over. So, take that. By the way, this is the propeller. It goes on the front. Okay. Now, some amateurs would do a video like this and they would cut the tape, and I'm not going to do that. Okay, because I'm going to show you in real time, okay, how to put this back together. What I usually figure out is that there's usually enough parts on the ground left over that it makes up for the weight in the duct tape. Okay? Alright. Once again, proper hand launch technique, and we're off.